With a few simple acts, we can change how we interact with our environment and with each other. Gyda ychydig o weithredoedd syml, gallwn newid sut rydym ni'n rhyngweithio a'n hamgylchedd, a gyda'n gilydd.